Welcome to Eskilstuna in Sweden. I was actually planning to film this last night, but by the time I got to the hotel, the first hotel city here in Eskilstuna, it was late and my battery was almost dead, so I decided rather than trying to film in the dark with a half-dead battery, I'd do it this morning. So I'm just going to have a quick look around. Not due to be picked up for about another hour or so, so I'm going to have a very quick look around and see what Eskilstuna has to offer. Those of you that watch the Breakfast Show will know that I was panicking about bringing enough gear. My bag, even though I'm travelling light, contains multiple cameras, multiple lenses, multiple tripods as well. Turns out the one important piece of equipment that I forgot to bring was my fishing gear. Hoping you'll be able to see this above my head, hopefully, because I'm not looking through the right lens, hopefully above my head there. That's the flag of Eskilstuna. I just wanted to show you something very quickly. I'm filming this at about 8:30 on a Friday morning, middle of the rush hour, and behind me is one of the main roads that runs through Eskilstuna. Look at all the traffic. One car, just the one car, make that two. So we've taken a short taxi ride from the hotel to the Volvo customer centre. As you can see, that's the Volvo building in the background, lots of flags. That's not what we're here to see. What we're here to see is this. I really hope you can see this. That is an absolute beast of a machine. So the main part of my visit here at Volvo in Eskilstuna is fast coming to a close. I wanted to say a very quick thank you to Anders, who has taken me around all the machines today, to Martin, who has just taken me around the remote control straight boom machine. Good to meet Martin in person at long last, but really a huge thank you to everybody at Volvo. Thanks ever so much for your hospitality. Thanks for looking after us all so well. And here is just one final glimpse of what Volvo has on offer.